This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Plenty of Fish account. First, navigate to the Plenty of Fish website or download their mobile application. Look for the Register or Sign Up button, usually prominent on the homepage, and click it to begin the process. You'll then be prompted to provide some initial personal details to start your profile creation. Make sure to review and agree to their terms of service before proceeding. Next, you'll create your login credentials. Choose a unique username and a strong password, combining letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Then, fill in your personal details like gender, date of birth, and current location. Uploading a clear, recent profile picture is crucial for attracting attention. Finally, craft an engaging headline and a detailed About Me section to showcase your personality. Now it's time to personalize your dating experience. Define your relationship goals and specify your interests to help the platform understand what you're seeking. Adjust your search filters, such as age range and location, to narrow down potential matches. You'll also answer various questions about your lifestyle, personality, and preferences, which contribute to better compatibility. Always review your profile for completeness and accuracy before moving forward. To finalize your account setup, you will typically need to verify your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox. Once verified, your Plenty of Fish account is active. Take some time to explore the various features, like the Meet Me section or messaging options. You can now start browsing profiles and sending messages to connect with other singles. Always remember to prioritize your online safety and privacy while using the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.